Hey folks, Colin from Aitum here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use a string list variable and the handy things you can use this variable for. We recently released an import rule using the Aitum app for a giveaway on your stream, and this was all possible by using a string list. String list variables allow you to store more than one string within a list in a specific order and being able to access this list within an action inside Aitum. So first of all in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a bank of quotations, and then through a chat command, your users can randomly return a quote from this bank. The first thing we want to do is inside Aitum is set up our string list variable. So head to the Variables tab and click on New Global Variable. Next, select String List under Type and then save it. To add items to your string list manually, click on Manage, and then start adding your different items into your variable. So in order to randomly choose a quote from the bank, you can do this through a chat command. Head over to the Rules section to set this up. Inside Triggers and a trigger block with Twitch as the device and then the chat message under the trigger type. And finally, in this block, input the command you wish to trigger the return of the random string list item. Here we will use !quote. Next we want to add in a check and select Get Random String List Item, and then select the variable we set up in the first place for this. Finally, we want to add in an action block. Inside the action block, select Twitch as the device type, and inside the action type, select Send Chat Message as Broadcaster. Next, inside Chat Message, select it to be a variable and then select the Get Random String Check we set up before. And that's all there is to this one. Now chat can use the command and they will get a random quote returned from the variable. If you wanted to say have a string list that users can enter themselves into the chat, you can do that also. So let's set up a rule for a giveaway. We want to set up a trigger for a chat message again with the message as !giveaway. Next, we want to set up a data check. Select Get User Info and then in the variable dropdown select Twitch username. Now to mix it up a bit, we're going to add in a rule check. Set it up so that the variable is targeting our string list variable and then in comparison select Does Not Include and then the variable dropdown select the Twitch username. Finally, set up an action block with Aitum as a device and in action type select Change Global Variable Value. Under Global Variable, select your string list variable. And in Modifier, then select Add Item as the option. And under Add to List from the variable dropdown, select Twitch username. What we have just created is a rule that when someone enters the chat command, if they are not in the list, to then add them to the string list variable. And now, in order to run the giveaway, we want to set up another rule. Inside Trigger, add a block with Twitch as the device and chat message as the trigger type. Then underneath insert your own username and then the command you wish to run the rule. Next, set up a data check with Get Random String List Item and the string list for the giveaway selected. And finally, add in a new action block with Twitch as the device type and Send Chat Message as Broadcaster as action type. And then in the chat message, type out your message and in the inline variable dropdown choose the Get Random String Item as the variable. And that's it! Now when your users use this chat command to enter the giveaway, you then only need to run the rule for the giveaway via the chat command we have set up or possibly by using the Stream Deck plugin. I hope this video was helpful, and if there's any issues or if you have created something very cool with Aitum to show us, please follow us over on Twitter or join the Discord. Links to both will be in the description down below.